is a broken track. We're gonna repair it real quick and get going.
Life is an everyday extreme adventure, just not as extreme as some of us picture it in our head. As days go by in my life, I find myself surrounded by various circumstances, which are at times more extreme than others. What is your definition of extreme? Being stranded on a deadly desert? A life raft alone in the middle of an ocean? Or atop of the highest peak on the planet? Maybe it's just a simple backyard adventure where you find a dead skunk. I believe that humans are united while sharing the same adventure, finding their strengths and weaknesses. Those days showed me once again that life's beauty is in its simplicity. Do unto others as you want done to yourself. Seek and you shall find, knock and they shall open. There's always someone willing to help. One just has to reach out and ask.
Keep going. Beautiful day.
Это Леня. Леня специалист по маринату мяса. Это барашек. Здесь специи с луком в перемешку. Мы сейчас это опрыскиваем все и будем делать барашека, который будет на пол. Ну вот, лежит барашек наш. Под луком, под специями. Леня, спасибо большое.
Все ради вас.
Almost off to a trail. Ready to go. Parking the trailer. Without any adventures. Nice little snow level. Snowflakes coming down. Катька to the rescue. Сейчас вытаскивать, который ушел. And the pump got thrown up enough to the side. The jeeps are having a hard time a little bit going over the hump there. Family and friends, Alex, please step into the powder and show them how deep it is. This is how much snow there is for anybody who's having a hard time believing. This is beautiful Oregon wonderland. Just gorgeous. Low snow levels. For those who did not make it, I'm sorry you have to watch this because you guys missed out. Евгений, скажи что-нибудь.
О, классно, первый раз здесь, обалдею.
Как тебе, я так это, подцеплю вопрос, как тебе снегоход наш?
О, слышишь, I'm impressed.
Impressed.
Ты что, никуда без него не проедешь здесь.
Вот.
Ты что, на сноубил проваливается, все.
Snowmobile is having a hard time.
Сноубил туда не проедет, куда Snowcat проедет.
What can I say, friends? This is awesome. Nikson's Overland Adventures. I invite everybody to join us. We're gonna do this annual February snow run type of deal. Catch the right snow conditions like it is right now. So far it's been 4 years in a row. This week in February, storm comes in and hits us real nice with nice low snow levels, perfect temperatures where it's not too cold. And there's just, look at this. I'm trying to walk and it's up to my cojones. You know what? This is extreme. This is extreme. It only gets more extreme if you are going and it's like 20 below. But that's like
That would be nice.
Russian weather, Canada weather.
Awesome! Maybe someday, maybe someday.
This is my finale. Last grand exit plan. This is my beginning. Code up for this chapter dies. This is my awaited summary. Everything has made its mark. All the strikes have made the toll. Lasting effect that all can see. This is my revolution. Battle cries in my direction. Marching slogans to the field. Assessments tonight. I can see. I am not a superstitious man. But this place is made a believer out of me. I am not a superstitious man. But you made a believer out of me. This is my farewell now. This is my last bravado. The heads above will let me be. This is my last debriefing. This is my final countdown. This is my final day. This is my final hour. These are all the incidents. These are all occurrences. These are my antennas.
You alright?